Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Ice Stakes is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked pieces of equipment for anyone who enjoys winter activities, whether it's camping, hiking, or simply securing your tent or tarp in snowy conditions. These aren't just simple metal rods, they are specifically designed to provide a reliable anchor point in frozen ground or deep snow, ensuring your shelter remains stable against harsh winds and shifting snowdrifts. Imagine being out in the wilderness, and a sudden gust of wind threatens to tear your shelter apart. That's where the right ice stakes become your silent guardian, offering peace of mind and crucial security when you need it most. Their design and material are critical for performance, making the choice of ice stakes a surprisingly important decision for your outdoor adventures. Number 5. Wise Owl Outfitters Heavy Duty Tent Stakes. Introducing our complete 16-pack of durable tent stakes. Made from rust-resistant aluminum, they are built to secure your tents, tarps, and canopies with confidence. These rugged stakes are designed for maximum grip in windy conditions and tough terrain. They are ideal for storms, gravel, or packed soil, ensuring your setup stays put. A smart addition to your outdoor gear, these heavy-duty anchors can secure bounce houses, tarps, inflatables, and yard decorations. They offer versatile use for various needs. Weighing less than an ounce each, this compact gear is perfect for ultralight packers, hikers, and travelers. You get reliable performance without the extra bulk. No more hunting for buried stakes. The bright paracord tops make these ground spikes easy to see and quick to pull out from any terrain. The unique Y-beam profile offers solid penetration into various ground types. This design helps prevent spinning or loosening, even in high winds and wet conditions. Whether setting up a hammock, a pop-up shelter, or a beach tent, these metal stakes handle a variety of outdoor needs with ease. They are a reliable addition to your camping accessories. What we like. These stakes are incredibly lightweight, making them perfect for backpackers and hikers. If you're looking to minimize your pack weight without sacrificing security, these are an excellent choice. Their bright paracord loops also ensure you won't lose them in the dark or difficult terrain. What people say. They drive in smoothly, come out cleanly, and stay in place. These stakes are noticeably thicker in that area, and I've yet to bend one of these at that neck point, or anywhere, either by stepping on them, or banging on them with a rock. They're smooth on all edges. With the Wise Owls, even the tips are rounded off, so very little chance of tearing anything else up unless you're really trying to, and even then it would probably be a bit of a challenge. Number 4. Eurmax USA 4 PC Spiral Stakes Anchor Kit. Introducing the Eurmax USA 4-piece Spiral Stakes Heavy Duty Anchor Kit. These are designed for ultimate strength and durability. Perfect for securing trampolines, tents, tarps, canopies, and carports. They provide reliable anchoring for various outdoor needs. Crafted from cold-rolled steel, these anchors are built to withstand strong pulling forces and harsh weather conditions. Ensure your dog's safety with these tie-out stakes. They securely anchor your pet, preventing them from wandering into dangerous areas. Give your dog the freedom to move and play within a safe radius, offering more comfort than a confined space. Easy to install and remove, they are ideal for travel and camping, providing a secure spot for your pet anywhere. These anchors can support up to 125 pounds of pull force, making them suitable for dogs of various sizes. What we like. Built with cold-rolled steel, these anchors offer exceptional durability and strength. If you need a reliable way to secure your dog's tie-out or ensure your canopy stays put in strong winds, this is the option for you. They are also portable and travel-friendly, making them great for camping with pets. What people say. The corkscrew design is easily screwed into the ground and creates a strong hold. The handle at the top of the corkscrew holds a rope or cable securely and has a lay-flat design so you can easily mow over it without having to remove it or mow around it. Since we got them in and the trampoline base strapped down, it hasn't budged. Not a single inch. We've had times storms came up so fast that we weren't able to take down the jump mat or net. We were worried the trampoline would give out, but the straps held it in place while it just fought the wind. Very durable, holds our trampoline in place. Easy to place in the ground. Good size. Functional with any. Number 3. Eurmax USA Ground Anchors. Introducing the Eurmax USA Ground Anchors, your ultimate solution for securing outdoor equipment. Choose certainty with a product designed for durability and peace of mind. These anchors are crafted from high-quality, anti-rust coated steel, ensuring long-lasting protection for your trampoline, canopy, or swings. They provide enhanced stability in various conditions. Designed with spiral blades, they work effectively in hard soil, rocky ground, frozen earth, and gravel. Installation is quick and easy, even in challenging geology. Each anchor measures 11.8 inches long, and comes with a 15.9-inch strap for secure fastening. This robust design ensures your equipment stays firmly in place. Perfect for a wide range of outdoor activities, they can secure swings, slides, sheds, tents, trampolines, and more. Use them with rope to prevent anything from blowing away. Eurmax is North America's #1 factory store for canopies and accessories. Trust in our commitment to quality and certainty for all your outdoor anchoring needs. What we like. With a spiral blade design and anti-rust coating, these anchors provide enhanced stability in various ground conditions, including hard, rocky, or frozen soil. If you need robust anchoring for trampolines, canopies, or even sheds in challenging environments, these long stakes offer superior security. They are designed for long-term use and come with bonus straps for added peace of mind. What people say. It's well made and very sturdy. She is a 30-pound bundle of energy and she has not been able to pull it out of the ground. These are simple to install and easy to remove, but seem to hold well, even in wind. The metal seems sturdy and heavy-duty, and it comes with a black translucent cable which I believe is 15 feet long. Number 2. Keyfit Tools Power Anchor, 4-pack. Introducing the Keyfit Tools Power Anchor, the ultimate solution for securing your ice fishing shelter. This set includes 4 heavy-duty anchors designed for maximum stability. These innovative self-drilling stakes make setup a breeze. Simply use your drill to anchor them securely into the ice, providing a reliable hold. Crafted from solid, case-hardened grade 8 steel, they are heat-treated for extreme durability. You can trust them to withstand the toughest conditions. With a generous 10-inch length, these anchors offer extra holding power, ensuring your shelter stays put even in high winds. Use them with or without the Secura strap for easy anchoring. For best results, use your drill on a slow speed with downforce, allowing the threads to cut into the ice. This method ensures a strong, secure grip without stripping the ice. Discover the full range of Keyfit Tools patented products on Amazon. Enhance your ice fishing experience with our reliable and innovative gear. What we like. Featuring a self-drilling cutting tip made of case-hardened steel, these anchors are designed for extreme durability and easy installation, especially in ice. If you're setting up an ice fishing shelter or need secure anchoring in frozen ground, these are your go-to. They offer extra anchoring depth and are compatible with a power drill for quick setup. What people say. This is just a solid alternative to the traditional ice anchor kit and tool. Takes a little less space as well. Really solid anchoring. Worked great for my ice fishing tent. Great for holding down the easy up and easy to remove after the day. Number 1. Jackson Ultima XL Figure Skates. Introducing the Jackson Ultima XL, designed for aspiring skaters. These skates offer light support perfect for learning to skate or enjoying recreational ice time. Experience a secure fit that boosts your confidence as you glide. The supportive design ensures comfort, letting you focus on improving your skills. Crafted with a reinforced vinyl upper and a soft, padded lining, these skates are built for durability and comfort. The rolled collar prevents irritation, so you can skate longer. A flex notch allows for natural ankle movement, crucial for developing balance and control. This feature helps you master your movements with ease. These skates come factory sharpened with a quality stainless steel blade attached to a durable sole. They are ideal for beginners looking for stability and performance. Built to last and feel great, they provide the stability needed for learning. Enjoy quality craftsmanship designed for skaters of all ages. What we like. These ice skates offer light support and a comfortable fit, ideal for learn-to-skate programs or recreational use. If you're a beginner looking to build confidence on the ice with a secure and supportive boot, these are a great choice. The reinforced vinyl upper and padded lining ensure comfort, while the factory sharpened blade provides stability for learning. What people say. They are so comfortable, and cute, and fit true to size. Also provide great ankle stability. The skates fit well and are true to size based on a foot measurement chart. The skates do provide superb ankle support, which was missing in my former cheap brand of ice skates. Skates are super comfortable and look great for a beginner intermediate skater. The boot itself has still maintained its stiffness with no creases. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.